Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription on LinkedIn. Whether you're deciding to downgrade your account or just no longer need premium features, this process is very simple. First, start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of LinkedIn. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all your account settings, from your privacy to your subscriptions. Next, in the Account Preferences section, scroll all the way down until you reach Subscriptions and Payments. This section is where LinkedIn allows you to manage all the details of your premium subscription, including upgrades, downgrades, and cancellations. Once there, click on Manage Premium Account. On this page, you'll see several options. You can switch plans, manage your subscription, or cancel your subscription entirely. If you want to cancel, simply click on the Cancel Subscription button. LinkedIn gives you a few options to choose from, so take a moment to review them. After clicking Cancel Subscription, you'll need to confirm your cancellation. If you're sure about canceling, keep in mind that you will lose access to all of your premium features, such as InMail, LinkedIn Learning courses, and advanced search filters. So make sure this is what you want. If you are absolutely sure about going ahead with the cancellation, click Confirm Cancel, and that will finalize the process. It's important to note that once your premium subscription is canceled, you'll still have access to the premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, your account will revert to a free LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to easily cancel your LinkedIn subscription. Whether you're managing your personal profile or using LinkedIn for your business, it's always good to stay in control of your subscriptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Got any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep optimizing your LinkedIn and Shopify strategies. I'll see you in the next video.